hold on.
Land is close, let it climb.
What's happening?
Tighten your belt, honey.
Storm cell dead ahead.
I see it.
Saddle's giving way. We lost the tip.
It's chilling through the spar. I've never seen anything like this.
We have to keep her in the air. Keep her in the air. Falling. She's fighting me. Left thruster's locked.
Override's dead. Keep her nose up.
There, 2 o'clock.
I see it. Hang on.
Coiling and jumping. Brace.
Engine 2 just dropped power.
I'm seeing flames out the starboard side. There's something on the engine. It's a snake. It's huge.
Engine fire. Right wing.
Engine's coughing again.
Just keep her level. We're nearly in the clear.
That thing's still on
I can
us.
see the path ahead. Thread the gap and it can't follow.
If we make it that far. Engine's losing power. Keep it level.
There's a gap in the ridge ahead. If we make it through, we might lose it in the gorge.
Hold her steady.
Come on, girl. Just a little farther.